Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I just would like to say thank you so much for all of you guys who are responding to my messages really fast and really kind and really optimistic and really positive about my situation. I really am thankful from the bottom of my heart. I really am very appreciating every one of you who is very supportive towards me and my condition, and yeah, I'm really very thankful for this. And also I've received some of your requests to the drawing to the characters. Yes, definitely I will draw that, because uh, uh, without all of you I am actually nothing. So keep on requesting and I will attend to it, and I will draw it as good as I possibly can, and I try my best to upstand the quality. And yeah, I'm really very thankful, really very very thankful for every one of you who really give strong support to my condition. So thank you very much, and I will work very hard for this channel, and I will make this channel really strong. And I'm not sure how is the outcome in the future, but I really am going to work very hard for this channel. So thank you very much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Also, please do not forget to like the video. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next one.